Hello everyone, it's me, Simeon Tech, back with another repair where we're gonna repair the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which I had laying around for quite a while, which had a broken display. And if you remember all the way back when I tried to clear mod this guy's back glass, like towards the last third of turning it clear, I accidentally broke the damn glass. So it does now the glass either. So we're gonna get a new display panel for it and a new back glass. Now I didn't get the display assembly because it was cheaper, and the frame on this one is still in pretty good condition. I wouldn't really have to worry of randomly guessing what color the frame is, because some listings on AliExpress do not provide that information. So you can see in the background I was basically unscrewing everything and taking it apart. And using a broken Galaxy S4 Mini as the tray for screws. You can see it's broken because it has an X on it. That's how you know it's broken. The major disassembly part starts out. Since I already removed the battery once, it was fairly easy, though it still fought. Here I will carefully remove the board, since I will need to clean up all the dang adhesive from the back panel and the display, which took forever and a half, because I needed to use the IPA to get rid of the adhesive, and a lot of it, because IPA dries up fast, and I needed all sorts of brushes to get rid of it, and I used plastic picks and even a freaking knife. It was not simple, and like one of the reasons why I removed the motherboard and especially the cameras, since at this point the front cameras would have already been ruined of adhesive and residue and all sort of stuff over their lenses by now. I even used tape to remove the adhesive. Yes, I fought adhesive with adhesive. That's how it works. And yeah, I needed to get as much as possible of that adhesive removed, because ironically adhesive does not stick to adhesive. It just does not do it. Just no. Just no. I don't really know what to say. Just spent way too long cleaning up the dang adhesive here. You can skip a video, skip a minute forward or so, I don't know. You can see all the adhesive junk forming in the corner there. So much adhesive junk from just doing all that. And some writing on the wireless charging coil has kind of stained the table. Because IPA also dissolves markers and stuff. So yeah, needed to clean that. And clean adhesive from these things, because yeah, I tested the display to see if they sent me if maybe broke during shipping or why not, so I could return it, get the money back, because these are not cheap. And yeah, I had to put on the wireless charging coil because if you know, after the Note 7, Samsungs have a temperature sensor that is absolutely necessary for the phones to charge, since you know Samsung does not want any more exploding phones. So yeah, I test the touch of a display to see if everything's fine and other stuff like that, such as the S Pen functionality and something else. Here I attached the adhesive to the frame for the display to the frame, and attached the display to the frame with some messy installment, but I did it anyway. And here's the reassembly. Now, since I did mess up with the rubber bit of a SIM ejector thing, SIM ejector tray, SIM tray, whatnot, I needed to like disassemble this afterwards because like the SIM tray wouldn't go back in fully. So yay, at least I didn't put the back glass on. We'll have that for last. Yay. I don't know what to say again. If I already said that I needed to disassemble it because of that freaking rubber bit of the SIM ejector thing, which I'm messing with right now. You see me disassembling pretty much everything again, just to get that fixed. Basically, unnecessarily wasted like 15 minutes or so, just because of that little rubber nugget. Hooray. And there we go. I reassembled it, fixing the thing, and now I am attaching the back glass onto the phone. At last. Yes, I made sure to plug in the fingerprint sensor and stuff. So basically the Note 9 is fully functional again, apart from a singular line on the display which doesn't really bother me. It's better than a black spot that covers 2/3 of the display, specifically in the middle. And yeah, here's me doing the final tests with the S Pen and the touch and all the other stuff. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just like and subscribe, dang it. Do it now. Now!